Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think this is so extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3. I think we're likely in a wave 4 right now, which I think will make some sort of 3 waves down, and then probably back up for a wave 5. Keep in mind this wave 4 still probably has at least several months of price action. So going down to the weekly, now we have a couple options here. Option number one is that this is already an A, already a B, and they're already going down for the wave C. But I definitely wouldn't be surprised if this is an A and this was like a running flat type pattern for a B and it actually goes up and makes a C and then ends up going back down. So we do have to be aware that it might still be in the wave B as of right now. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the trend is definitely down because our last structure is way up here. But the trend is down, but the current market flow has been up for several days now. So I think we could definitely be looking for longs right now, no problem. But we have to keep in mind that the trend is down, which means that this move up could be a crutch into the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, this move up is definitely looking like a trend. It looks like it's probably either a wave A or a wave 1. Eventually, it's probably going to start a pullback, B or 2, and then it go up for either a 3 or a C. If it really is a wave C, then it would go up to a fib level and then turn back down. If it really is a wave 3, it would probably still bounce from a fib level, just not break structure and just keep on making higher highs and higher lows for a wave 3. Heading down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely looking for longs, at least I am, and I definitely would not try to go long now. I would only be looking to go long at the end of three-way pullbacks, which there was a really nice three-way pullback there. Even this back here is a pretty nice looking three-way pullback. So those are the entries that I'm looking for. I personally wouldn't be trying to go short, and I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long. I would want to be holding on to a long right now, waiting for an exit, or I would want to be waiting for a pullback to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. As long as it doesn't go down and break structure, I would definitely be looking for longs, and I would definitely be looking to go long on pullbacks. So don't forget to go join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.